Hey all, let's take a look at the criticisms of fiscal policy. We have problems of timing. We have the recognition lag, which is the time between the actual occurrence of a recession or inflation and its awareness. Then we have the administrative lag, which is the time lag between recognition of inflation or recession and implementation of fiscal policy by the federal government. Then there is the operational lag, which is the time lag between implementation of fiscal policy and when we actually see the desired results, like changes in output, employment, and stable prices. All right, that's all for now.